Now, in this video, I'm going to start, even I will finish the numericals in the same video, and this is of chapter force and pressure. So, first question is, find the moment of force of 20 Newton about an axis of rotation at distance 0.5 meter from the force. So, first of all, what is given, we'll note down that thing. Given that force is equals to what? 20 Newton and perpendicular distance is 0.5 meter. Perpendicular distance is equals to 0.5 meter. One thing we have to note down here very carefully, that unit must be either in SI unit or in CGS. Here it is in Newton, it must be in meter. Fine children? If it is given in dyne, distance must be given in centimeter, so that the answer will become in CGS unit. And if it is given Newton and here is centimeter, then you convert that centimeter into meter, then both will become SI unit. Or if it is in centimeter and it is given in Newton, then convert Newton into dyne, then both will convert it into CGS system. So you have to be careful about these things, that is the units. So already the data is given in SI unit. So I will start the sum. The formula is what? Moment of force is equals to force into perpendicular distance. So force is what? It is 20 into 0.5, that is, if you are going to calculate it, 10 to the 20, so it is 2 into 5, that is 10 Newton meter, and this is your answer. Done. Let's see what is our next question. The moment of a force of 25 Newton about a point is 2.5 Newton meter. Find the perpendicular distance of force from that point. So first of all, what is given? We will note down that thing. Given that force is 25 Newton. Here you have to be careful, see what is written, don't be confused. This is not moment of force. Your unit gives you the hint, this is force. Newton meter is the moment of force. Fine children, try to understand both. Most of the time I have seen that children will start reading and they will write that moment of force is equal to 25 Newton. Use your common sense. If the line is not clear, at least see the units. Newton is unit of force and Newton meter is unit of moment of force. And then you will understand with the help of sentence also. What is given? The moment of a force of 25 Newton about a point is 2.5 Newton meter. This is moment of force. This is force. Right? So force is equals to 25 Newton. Okay, and one more thing is given. What is that? Moment of force. So we will note down that thing also. That is 2.5 Newton meter. First of all, what I have checked. I have checked that force unit is in SI unit, and here moment of force is also in SI system. So now we can start with the writing formula. What is the formula? Moment of force is equals to force into perpendicular distance. Our question says that find the perpendicular distance of the force from that point. So we are going to find that. What is the value of this one? Moment of force. This is 2.5. Force is 25, and we are going to find out perpendicular distance. So it is 2.5 upon 25. Decimal replaced. That's why 0 is here. 25 times of 250. So that is perpendicular distance. Now, after this, what do we do? Perpendicular distance is what? It is 10 meter. It is 1 by 10 meter. So we may convert it into centimeter. For that, what do we do? 1 by 10 into 100. Now it will become centimeter. So that is 10 centimeter. And this is your answer. Now let's see what is third question. A spanner of length 10 centimeter is used to open a nut by applying a minimum force of 5.0 Newton. Calculate the moment of force. What we have to find out? We have to find out moment of force. What is given? Force is given 5.0 Newton and perpendicular distance is given, that is this length is given that is perpendicular distance. Okay, so write given that perpendicular distance is equals to 10 centimeter. Okay, and force is what? Force is equals to 5 Newton. Now what I told you, first of all, check the unit. Are both units in same system or not? No. Here unit of perpendicular distance is in CGS system and unit of force is in SI system. So what we will do, either we will convert this Newton into dyne, that is in CGS system, from SI to CGS system, or we will convert centimeter into meter, that is from CGS system to SI system. So I am going to convert this into meter, then it will become from CGS to SI system. So it is 10 divided by 100, that is equals to 0.1, or directly we can use this, let it be 10 by 100 meter, right? Now what we have to find out? Therefore moment of force is equals to, you must write down the formula because you will get step marking for that also. That is equals to force into perpendicular distance. Okay, so what is force? That is 5 Newton and perpendicular distance is 10 upon 100. Okay, so 0 0 cancelled and that is 1 by 2 Newton meter, or you may write as 0.5 Newton meter, and this is your answer. Now let's see what is question number 4. A wheel of diameter 2 meter can be rotated about an axis passing through its center by a moment of force equal to 2.0 Newton meter. Okay, what minimum force must be applied on its rim? What is given? Diameter of the wheel is given. Okay, and moment of force is given, and we have to find out force. What is the minimum force we have to apply? Okay, so first of all, what I have done here, I have drawn a diagram of wheel, okay, whose diameter is 2 meter. If diameter is 2 meter means what? Since it is wheel, so this is its pivoted point, that is the center of this wheel. Diameter of wheel is 2 meter, but the perpendicular distance from where the force is applied, that will be the radius of the wheel. Okay, because this point is pivoted, that is the center. Diameter of the wheel is 2 meter, but when we apply force, it will work here. The distance between the pivoted point and the force applied, that is what? That is 1 meter, right? So we will do that thing. First of all, we will mention it here. What is given? Since diameter of wheel is equals to 2 meter, therefore radius is perpendicular distance of the force from where the force is applied on the pivoted point, that is equals to half of the diameter, that is radius, right? It is radius and it is 1 meter. I hope it is clear what is we have done here. Diameter is given, so we have written that perpendicular distance will be 1 meter, because if it is a wheel, then at the center force will be applied. This is the distance between the force applied. Perpendicular distance is this, that is the radius. That's why we have written that radius is equal to perpendicular distance. That is, so that's why we divided diameter by 2 to get the length of the radius, that is 1 meter, And what is given? Moment of force, that is equals to what? 2.0 Newton meter. Therefore force is equals to what? So we'll write the formula. Moment of force is equals to force into perpendicular distance. Then we'll put the values. Moment of force is what? 2 Newton meter is equal to force not given into perpendicular distance, that is 1. Therefore force is equals to 2 Newton. This is the minimum force we have to apply from the maximum distance of 1 meter, perpendicular distance of 1 meter, for moment of force 2 Newton per meter. So this is your answer. Now our next question. A normal force of 200 Newton acts on area of 0.02 meter square. Find the pressure in Pascal. What is the meaning of Pascal? Pascal means your unit must be in Newton per meter square. Okay. So what is given? It is given that force is equals to 200 Newton. Okay. And area is equals to 0.02 meter square. Now before starting the sum, what I have to check? I have to check that my both units are in same system or not. I found that yes, they are in SI system. Okay. Even as our question said that find the pressure in Pascal. If your data is in CGS system, you have to convert it into SI system so that you will get the answer in Newton per meter square. That will be your answer in pressure in Pascal. So already that is given. So no need to convert the unit. So what is the formula of pressure? Pressure is equals to force upon area. So we just put the value and get the answer. This is 200 upon 0.02. If you replace this decimal sign, so 2 more 0 because 2 digit is there. So 2 more 0 is there. So 1 with 4 0, that is 10 to the power 4 Newton meter square per meter square, or 10 to the power 4 Pascal. That is your Pascal. Is your answer.